What's going on, guys? Roma the Roamer here. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 obvious signs of a counterfeit book. I just got a text message from Johnny Flips, and he's heading down to McKay's, somewhere in Tennessee or maybe North Carolina. And he had these 2 books right here, and he wasn't sure if they were counterfeit. Now, in this case, it probably looks like one is an instructor's edition right here, and the other one is not an instructor's edition. It's the regular version, and it looks like they put tape on the top to cover up the fact that it was an instructor's edition. So I would just peel back that tape. Johnny, you're good to sell that book. You can sell it, and I get this question all the time: can you sell instructor's editions or not on Amazon? Yes, you can. Just make sure that it is indeed an instructor's edition, and they're not hiding up some other global edition or something else, some other sign that it could be counterfeit.
Look, grind hard, well done, sir, and welcome to the freaking well show. And party central to my well ones, a night of violated hell codes. Dope sells like the charge do, but selling's all about potential.
So sign number 1 that it's counterfeit, the most obvious, is to look at the front cover, and the text is going to be off center. Okay, so that's number 1. Number 2, I'll put a picture here. If you turn it sideways, on its side, you'll see that the text is also off center as well. It's not perfect, and the color will be off as well too. Tip number 3 is going to be, look at the glue on the side. If the glue is excessive, if it looks like it was cheaply made, and in general, if anything looks like it's cheap on the book, it's a good sign it's a counterfeit. And we're specifically talking about counterfeits with textbooks here. So there are cheap publishers out there, so don't obsess over every single book. We're talking about the main publishers: Pearson, Cengage, McGraw-Hill. But anyway, you're gonna look at the side, and if it's got a lot of glue, stay away from it. Tip number 4, is it 4 now? 4 or 5? I'm just gonna keep going with counterfeit signs. Is there's going to be, for lack of a better term, shitty binding. So they're not gonna have the tightest binding. It's gonna be like a little bit of space in between the paper and the book. So you'll see a picture here as well. And yeah, those are the signs you wanna look out for, guys. And if you do run into counterfeits, go to stopcounterfeitbooks.com and you can learn more about identifying them. Don't purchase them, don't sell them on Amazon. But the good news is, if you're red restricted, which means if you can't sell textbooks, which is any new Amazon account after 2017, then you're in the clear anyway. And if you do come across a red restricted book that you can't sell and you want to make money on it, you can send it to restrictedinventory.com. Feel free. It's a service that I made where we sell your textbooks for you. We check for counterfeits, all that. You cover the shipping, we cover the prep. So that is an option for you as well. I'm here in Barcelona. Right now, it's my goal to travel to every country in the world. It's also my goal to help 100 of you quit your job. So if you ever quit your job from selling books on Amazon or from doing online arbitrage, let me know. And if you guys want to learn how to sell books or list books faster, check out the 10x listing method below. It's a method that I came up with to help you list your books 10 times as fast. You can list literally 100+ books per hour. And we use the software GoToLister. That's a software that I created to, it literally, you can scan one book every 0.3 seconds is how fast it'll let you scan. So you could really scan 200-300 books an hour if you wanted to, if you're that fast. So check out those resources below. I also have a free Discord if you guys want to connect with me, and I have a free Facebook group too. Feel free to hop in there. If you like this video, like the video for the YouTube algorithm. Much love, guys. Peace out.